Alright, go ahead, do the fire truck.
Driving?
Yeah, drive the fire truck up there.
It's
not working? Oh, it goes up like that. Oh, you supposed to do it the other way. That's why. You can go through. Okay.
You do the elevator.
You want me to do the elevator? Alright, go ahead. You want me to do the elevator? Dee, 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 dee. There you go. Okay. Oh, almost went out. Alright, so you gonna put it on there?
I'm gonna start over.
Start over. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Goes all the way down.
I'm starting over
Okay. Then push all the way up top when you get it up, okay? You got it? Let me see. I'll help you. There you go.
You do the elevator.
Let me do that over? Okay. I'll go all the way up. Dee, 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 dee. Then you're gonna push it. Push it. Yeah. Do that again so I get the whole con thing. Go ahead. Cool. Alright, so what's this? A helicopter?
That's not all what the fire truck do. All the elevator do.
What else it does? All the way down and it goes out. So this is the front side. Okay. So we got a walkie-talkie over here.
Trash fire on Front and Grand
Oh,
Avenue.
wow.
Trash fire in the street of Front and Grand Avenue.
A bank robbery in progress at Main and First. Send all available units and police helicopter for support.
That's cool.
And
And you can talk on it too. Say
Sabai.
it again.
Sabai.
Say it again.
Sabai.
Oh. All units. All units. Can you hear me right now? AKA Caden 101. You gotta hold that.
Copy that.
Go do it again.
Copy that.
Okay.
Copy.
All right. That's a good copy, Roger. Out. All units. All units. Thank you. Copy over. Roger out.
Watch this.
Go ahead. Ooh, do that again. So you went to the back side. That's cool. I like that. Yeah, you can do it again.
And we go here and do
Oh. Do that one again too. You got it? Oh, wow. What's this over here?
that. Huh? That's the jail.
That's the jail?
Oh,
It goes down.
Put him in jail.
Alright. So, this is the watchtower.
He can put him in jail. Right?
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. That's cool. You got anything else to say? Huh? No?
And this is.
You gotta give me some room. I can look. This is pretty cool. I call it a watchtower. I got a little helicopter and everything. This is pretty cool.
And
Alright. That's it, man. Okay?
I can do this. And
Oh, now you want to talk. On the end. Alright.
I'm on the helicopter. This
Okay.
can do this and can go up and go
Okay. Alright. Alright, then. That's it, though.
and it can go.
You gonna say thumbs up, subscribe?
Yeah.
Huh?
Why?
Oh, okay, all right.